Hello friends, welcome to the channel again. In this video we are going to see how can you save any image in the directory after processing that image. If you have just convert the colored image to the black and white, and then you want to save that image in the folder, in the respective folder, then how can you do it? So in this video we are going to see this thing, right? So let's go and open our idle. Okay, so click on a file and click new file. Let me just maximize it, and here I am going to again import the CV2, and here we have to again create a variable that is img equals to cv2.imread, because first you have to read the image from the folder. So here is the image with the name of assay.jpg that has been stored in my file, where I am going to store this file too. And the parameter, that is 1, should be passed over here in order to read the image in a colored format. Okay, so like second variable should be gs mean grayscale, and here I am going to just call the cv2 again and dot cvt color, and inside that parameter I am going to pass that first variable, that is image. On the second parameter I am going to call cv2 dot color bgr to gray, gray means from colored format to the grayscale format, right? Now I have to save that. Before saving, I just want to show you the this image that is actually converted into the grayscale. I want to show this image in the window. Then we will just save that image in the folder. Okay, so for showing into the window, you have to call cv2.imshow, and inside that you have to write the window name, that is my like image. Okay, so this is the name of that window, and what I am going to show inside that window, that grayscale image, that is actually gs, right? Okay, so let me just run the program, just save that program. Let me just save into the respective folder like this, and just place the name with like save image. Okay, so the file has been saved. Run that file, and this is the image. Like it is just converted into the grayscale, and it is just showing inside the window. Just cross over there, and I am going to create I am going to save this black and white image inside that folder. So the cv2.imwrite, inside that you have to pass the name of the image with what name you are going to save this this black and white image. So you can name with black.jpg like this. Yeah, exactly like this. And after that you just pass the variable, that is gs, and just save the program and run the module. Okay, so this is the window. Just cross this window because we don't have to deal with that. We just need to check whether the image has been stored or not. So here is the image with the name of a black, and its extension is jpg file. Let's just open it, and this is the image that has been saved in a grayscale format. Okay, and this was the image that was originally I have downloaded from internet, and then we process this image and convert this colored image into the black image, black and white image, that is our grayscaled image. And this is how you can easily save the image into the folder. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel Tuition Tonight. Thanks.